Guys, we have a dungeon.
Let's do this.
Lead the way.
Let's do this.
This is top secret down here. So guys, recently our local hobby shop, Redfin Models, moved into a new premises. And the premises that they're in now, it used to be a bank. And you already know by the thumbnail what's going to be in this video. So I'm just going to carry on with the video and hopefully you enjoy it. This is top secret down here.
Storage.
So this used to be a bank, didn't it?
Yeah, it was a bank before, just taking it over. So we've got one working vault, and we lock up at night and keep all our precious things.
Can we have a look in there?
Yeah, go for it. A few customer cars. And
Oh, check out the toys.
Many nice things.
Yeah.
So check out the security of the, yeah.
That's it.
So that is not going to be easy to get into, is it?
No.
Yeah.
Should be alright.
Alright.
And then the mystery.
Alright, here's the mystery, guys.
So when we took it over, there's unfortunately no key for this vault. And when we asked, they said we tried, we lost the key, and they'd just written off what was in there.
What's this?
So that's one of the keys, that's for the second lock. The first lock, unfortunately I lost the key for, so they've got a vault smith out. He's tried again, snap drill bit, and they've given up, written off, and it's for us to either open it or not open it.
So what's in there, do you think?
I don't know, it's anyone's guess.
Millions?
I wouldn't have thought it's millions, but it could be something interesting, but we don't know. It could be paper, it could be a little bit of money, it could be so bit of money, I don't know.
Should we try and get in sometime?
I think we should.
What do you guys reckon? Should we make that a video, trying to get into the safe?
Got to be worth a try.
We just want to know what's in there.
We've got nothing to lose.
But how would we do it?
I don't know, I think we need some suggestions because I haven't.
Guys, comment down below, how can we get into a bank vault?
Any vault smiths?
Yeah.
There we go.
And this is what we're dealing with. It's something like that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's that sort of door.
But is that door even more heavy duty?
It looks it. The hinges are bigger.
Because that's the main safe, wasn't it?
Yeah, this is the long-term storage. That's why there was a bit of a faff when they come to get the keys.
And then this one here is like a little short-term one.
Yeah.
Right, so if that's got anything to go by, then that one could be 10 times more difficult.
Very good.
Guys, know in the comments, how are we going to get in there? So there you have it, guys. We're going to try and get in there. So subscribe and smash the bell so that you don't miss it. So guys, let me know, what do you think is in there? And also, give us some tips. I've got no idea how we're supposed to get in there. A vault smith has already had a go at it. He couldn't get in. The bank wrote off whatever was in there. So we've got no idea what could be in there. It could just be an empty room. Or there could be, God knows, what in there. So give me a note down below. Give me a comment. What do you think's in there? And also, give me some comments of how you think we can get in there. Alright guys, I will see you soon in another video.